Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fold your Honda Odyssey back seat. First, make sure the area behind the third row seats is completely clear of any items. Next, confirm that the seat backs are in their upright and locked position. Finally, remove any floor mats or cargo covers that might obstruct the folding process. This ensures a smooth and easy transformation of your cargo space. Now, let's release the seats. Look for the fabric release straps, usually found on the top or side of each third row seatback. Give each strap a firm pull to disengage the latch mechanism. The third row typically divides into two sections, so you will need to release both. You should hear a click as the seat unlocks, indicating it's ready to fold. With the seats unlocked, it's time to fold them down. Gently push the seat back forward and downward, guiding it into the recessed storage well in the floor. It should slide smoothly into place. Make sure the seat is fully nested and lies completely flat within the well. This creates a seamless, level cargo floor, maximizing your available space. Finally, let's ensure everything is secure. Give the folded seats a gentle push to confirm they are firmly latched into their down position. Double-check for any obstructions or loose items that might have been overlooked. Now, you have a significantly expanded cargo area, perfect for hauling larger items or gear. Enjoy the versatility of your Honda Odyssey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.